Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my 2 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $39.99. You get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. I teach you a lot of good stuff in this course about how to cross niche, scale your designs, niche down, how to find trendy niches, how to find evergreen niches, how to keep your account safe, how to check for trademarks. So a lot of good stuff. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. And then I also have one for Redbubble as well. So it's a step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble, only $39.99. In this course, you get 20 lessons and it's also over an hour of content. Also good for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble or for beginners on Redbubble as well. If we look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, we're going to see that, well, first I'm a tier 8,000 seller, but I've made over 11,000 sales and I've made over $37,000 on the Merch by Amazon platform. And when we look at my credentials on Redbubble, over the past year, I've done over $2,000 and my best month was $317 in June of 2022. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you guys today is Spring Break 2023. So every year there's a college break where people go on vacation, and we're going to see that when we go to Google, it's actually coming up here. It's in about 2 months, so this is actually good timing because we still have time to get our designs up. And when we look at the competition on Merch, we're going to see that there's only 146 results, so low in competition. Here are what some of the designs look like. When we go to tests, we're going to see that I checked for trademark and nothing pops up. But if we go back to Merch here, we're going to see that these designs, I mean, they don't have the best BSRs, but as we get closer to Spring Break, these are going to get a lot lower. And when we look at when these designs were uploaded just a couple months ago, October, this one was November, and we can see that they're already starting to sell. So that's a good sign. And when we take a look at the competition on the other platforms, like if we go to Etsy, we're going to see only 584 results. You'll see that right here. If we go to Redbubble, there's only 1,000 results. And when we go to TeePublic, we can't see the results, but we can just see kind of like how people are designing for this niche. And there's a couple ways that you can go about designing for this niche. So one is you can just kind of go the classic route where you just do like these first ones right here where it says Spring Break 2023. But you might want to consider doing like the retro or the groovy theme, kind of like what we saw on TeePublic right here. So you see, this has been a very popular style over the past year or so. So stuff like this. If we go to Etsy, I think I saw a PNG file that's doing one as well. It's like right here, something kind of like this. See here like that. So that's one way. Another way you can design for this is to cross niche Spring Break or Spring Break 2023 with any type of destination. So a lot of people that are going on Spring Break, they're going to like Punta Cana, or they're going to Mexico, or they're going to Florida, or they're going to, Lake Havasu. So what you can do is you can do something kind of similar like this. Punta Cana right here. You see how it's cross niche with Spring Break is cross niche with 2023 in Punta Cana. So that's one way to design for this niche. And then another way is to kind of think outside of the box, do something kind of like different that really nobody else is doing, and to cross niche it. Oh, sorry about that. Is to cross niche it with some type of a demographic. So, it's not just college kids that go on spring break, but there's also moms and dads, parents that go on spring break, and you also have teachers as well. So if you want to kind of, do something that's kind of outside the box where not many two people are going to be designing for, you can cross niche spring break 2023 with mom, dad, or even teacher. And another option, if you're lazy, kind of like me, you just don't want to design, you can go to CreateAFabrica. So I went to CreateAFabrica, I typed in spring break. And here we're going to see they actually have designs right here that you can just download and upload. And you can see what the designs look like. You can also get some ideas here as well. So Spring Break Squad, Spring Break Mode, Spring Break Hottie. So you can get some ideas here and you can just get some designs, and all you have to do is just download and upload these. I do have a affiliate link in my description. So if you go to one of my videos, you go to the description right here. This is an affiliate link. So if you click on this link and you purchase from CreateAFabrica, I get a kickback. So that helps the channel. But to be honest, usually I've always recommended Vexels, and I still think Vexels is good. but CreateAFabrica, I've just realized this has a lot more variety, a lot more options. And it's just so easy. You just download and upload. So that is basically going to be the video for today, or the niche for today. It's Spring Break 2023. If you like this kind of content, so consider subscribing. I put out videos on a regular basis talking about trending niches, design ideas for Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms to hopefully get you some sales and make a little bit of money. Here are some of my recent uploads. If you're looking for more ideas, I just came out with a couple videos about like Black History Month, Valentine's Day. So if you need some ideas for those upcoming holidays, you might want to consider checking out those videos. And if you're interested in those courses, again, the links will be in the description and also as a pinned comment. All right. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.